Hi there, this is Octavian. So today we are going to talk about 5 ways that you can make a passive income. And each of them we are going to cover how difficult is to start and how difficult is to make $100 a week and how difficult is it to maintain once it's up and running. But wait, what do I mean by passive income? To put it simply, it's a money that is not direct tied to a time. So it's like this, you put time or a money investment in once in the beginning. For example, you write an ebook and then it can be sold separate forever with little to no addition work. Now, I think it's important to clarify one thing, that passive income is not this magical get rich quick while you sleep things. That literally doesn't exist. You need to provide some types of value in order to make any income. And I also think that we often associate passive income with the side hustles, but I actually think about it pretty much exactly the opposite, because passive income plus diversifications allow you more freedoms and time to focus on other aspects of your life without the stress of relying in one solo source of income. So we should know this also. As all income streams, even passive ones, require your times or money up front to get started. So let's start with the king of all passive income streams. So number 1, investing in dividend stocks. So dividend investing is one of the most traditional and proven forms of passive income. So what is it? When you buy a share in certain companies, they reward you with the regular cash payout called dividends just for holding their stocks. You just don't have to sell anything. You literally get paid to be an owner. So how to start it? You can open an investment account in Robinhood or Fidelity or Vanguard and look for the companies called Dividend Kings. These are the businesses that have consistently paid and increased the dividends for decades. So you can continue to invest your earnings, compound your incomes. But can you really make 100,000 a week? Yes. But it's always take capital. To make 100 a week or 400 a month, you need around 100,000 to invest at 4 up to 50% dividend yield. But you can start small and grow out as time goes. So in case of maintenance, virtually zero. Once you've set your portfolio, the dividends always roll in. You can check it occasionally, but it always goes passive as it goes. That makes us to move on number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is getting paid to recommend products or service. So what is it? So you sign up for the company affiliate programs like Amazon, 𝐼𝐴, Bluehost, etc. and get a unique tracking link and share it to your audience. So when someone click your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission on that product or service. So how can you start this? You can sign up on Amazon Associate or Share a Sale or Impact.com. Then choose a niche, maybe tech, fashion, or wellness, etc. Then after, start creating content around those products. And where to share those links? You can share on YouTube video description, TikTok bios, blog posts, Pinterest board, and email newsletters. But can you really make $100 a week? It's totally possible, even with a small audience. The key is to recommend high converting, valuable product in a niche you well know. And in case of maintenance, once your content is live, those links can earn for monthly, even years. And make sure update broken links or promote a trending products occasionally. Then you're good to go. That makes us to move on number 3, a YouTube channel. If you like creating content, YouTube is a powerhouse for long-term passive income. So how does this work? Once your channel meets the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watching hours, you can monetize with ads through the YouTube partner programs. After that, your videos can make money every time someone watches, even years later. And how can you start it? Just creating a channel around anything that you like to do, maybe a vlogging or self-improvement or maybe gaming, etc. But try to do the thing that you like, most. And then upload consistent 3 up to 6 months. Then you're gonna start to see the improvement on things. Then focus on quality and search friend titles. But can you really make $100 a week? It takes time. It's always take time. Depend on your RPM, revenue per 1,000 viewers. You may need 15,000 or 25,000 viewers per month. And in case of maintenance, once you got a library of evergreens videos, how-tos or review or tutorials, they will continue to earn passive. Just upload occasionally to help keep momentum. Let us move on number 4, selling stock photos. So if you're creative or love photography, selling stock photos is a low effort way to monetize your skills. So what is it? It's like you upload a photo to stock platform like Shutterstocks, Adobe Stock, or iStock and earn money every time someone downloads your image. So you can ask yourself, how do I start? Just take a high quality and well-lit photos of people's objects or scenes, then upload it to multiple stock sites and try to use a relevant tag and descriptions. But can you really earn $100 a week? Yes, but the volume is a key. You will need 100 of quality image or a niche of people constantly searching for like remote work setup or a trending tech scenes. And in case of maintenance, it's always low. Once your portfolio is live, it earns indefinitely. And try to add a fresh content every time and stay relevant. That makes us move on the last one, creating and selling digital products. So this one is the best passive income idea for 2025. With the rise of an online tools and digital marketplace, you can sell knowledge, templates, tools, resources over and over again. And the example of digital products like Notion templates, ebooks, online courses, Lightroom presets, budget planners, those are examples. So you ask yourself, where can I sell these digital products? You can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, or your own website, if you have a website maybe. And can you really make $100 a week? The answer is yes. If your product solves really problems or saves people times, you can really sell 1,000 copies and each one for $10 maybe. So this means more you sell, the more you can earn. And in case of maintenance, it's always minimal. Maybe occasional updates and customer support, but the heavy lifting up is upfront. So my final thought is, which one is the best for you? Here's the quick breakdown. And you should know this, there is no one size fits all. But here's my tip. Start with one that aligns with your skills, interests. And always, consistency brings perfections. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button to help more people to discover passive income strategies. And if you are ready to build your long-term wealth, hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step guides just like this one. And let me know in the comments which of these 5 would you try first. See you in the next one. Peace out.